She is feeling stomach pain. She is feeling stomach pain. She is sitting alone, feel sadness. She is sitting alone, feel sadness. He is having light bulb idea. He is having light bulb idea. Stop teasing your brother. Stop teasing your brother. He sweeps autumn leaves with broom. He sweeps autumn leaves with broom. He loves his family. He loves his family. She assists old woman. She assists old woman. They are jumping rope. They are jumping rope. Grandmother is smiling. Grandmother is smiling. She is experiencing toothache. She is experiencing toothache. She hugs her sister. She hugs her sister. She is sewing clothes. She is sewing clothes. She stretches her arms. She stretches her arms. She is reading book. She is reading book. He raises his hand. He raises his hand. He is giving thumbs up. He is giving thumbs up. She checks her phone. She checks her phone. He is holding phone. He is holding phone. She is going with her parents. She is going with her parents. He is delivering the package. He is delivering the package. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. She is washing her face. She is washing her face. They are playing in park. They are playing in park. He is eating fresh fruit. He is eating fresh fruit. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. He is cleaning the table. He is cleaning the table. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. He is fixing the chair. He is fixing the chair. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. He is carrying heavy bag. He is carrying heavy bag. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. She is folding clean clothes. She is folding clean clothes. He is writing in notebook. He is writing in notebook.